Oh, you know what time it is. It's that time of year again. Time for our Bakeless chocolate oatmeal cookies. This is a recipe that we've had in our family for years. It's very simple. All you need is 2 cups of sugar. You need a half cup of milk. You're going to need a half cup of butter. And maybe, let's see, about 3 tablespoons or so of cocoa powder. Please do not leave it in your dog food. I don't know why it was in there. And then a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 3 cups of oats that you don't keep in your microwave, and a half cup of peanut butter. That's it. And what you're going to do is you're going to take all of those ingredients, the first set of it, and put those into a large enough pot that can handle all those ingredients, of course, and can hold a rolling boil. So again, just I think you guys know how to put ingredients into a pot. I don't know why I had to record that.
Don't you have to be stupid somewhere else?
Not until 4.
1/4 teaspoon of salt. All right, so here we go. You're going to turn the oven to low or just a little above low. I have this on a 4, but keep this at a low boil or low heat as you boil it. And what we're going to do is, oh, it looks so good already. If you like that kind of, just like sugary goodness. So once it gets to a rolling boil, you're going to let it go for 60 seconds. Keep it 60 seconds at that rolling boil. And then you're going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla. You're going to add a half cup of peanut butter. Get that all saturated in there. You're going to have to do this relatively quickly. And I'm doing this with one hand. But you put the ingredients in here because there's a chemical reaction that's taking place. So you're going to put half of the oats in. You're going to fold those in. You're not going to mix it super strong. You're just going to fold it until it's all saturated together. So yeah, fold that in. And once that's all folded in, boom. Because you don't want to crush the oats. You don't want to, liquid. I mean, because that liquid is extremely hot. So get that all saturated in there. This is I love this parchment baking paper. It's called If You Care. I don't know if this was made by my Catholic mom or my Jewish aunt, but if you cared, you'd use parchment paper. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take 1 tablespoon to scoop it out, and the other to slide the goop onto the parchment paper. Don't worry about being messy because these guys right here, they dry super quick. And there's 0 calories in those. That's also part of the science.
A few moments later.
You'll see that these are all dried now. So you can pick this up and they'll still be attached. They're bakeless cookies, so they come right off. Here's my freaky one that I wanted for myself. Oh boy. Oh, come off. And that's, whoa. There you go. Look at that. Look at that arm. That's really good. But isn't it always? It's a Bauer family recipe. Of course it's good. My family's Bakeless chocolate oatmeal cookie recipe is in the description down below. Feel free to like and subscribe while you're there. Hopefully you've enjoyed it. I know I'm going to. All right, Howard. Goodbye, everybody.